I said, be a man this I go on here, sir. Be a man this. Oh God. I want that. I want that, Claud. What I can't do that. Yo, it's a car door. Welcome on everybody. Now day again for another magnet fishing video. So today we're there at Flatbridge, as you can see behind me. A good amount of people in the comments on Facebook and YouTube that say we need to come back here, so they need to sit in the water. So we need to come back here and give it a next go. So we're there again for another video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment. Leave a comment, let me know which part is I can come. If you live somewhere near to something like this, if you want me to come try a thing there, let me know. Let me like the video, let me know so I want to see more. Yeah. Alright, so today we have the new magnet from Rogue Magnetics. This I use today. If you want your own magnet, you can use the link in the description to get 10%, I think a 15 or 10% off. 15 or 10% off if you use the code Jamaica 10. Get everything in the description. So just go down and say if you want your own magnet and you're good to go. Oh no, I put them in here, so. Alright, so I'm not going to use a magnet here for Flatbridge because it's really heavy. I'm going to use a smaller one here instead. I don't think we need that heavy one here. Flatbridge, no sir. I want to scare you, Fred. You don't feel that water? No. You feel that water? Yeah. Yo, so I shot that cover, I shot the pass. Alright everybody, these are the first throw of the day. Let me see what we can find for the first throw.
I don't know, just try something else. Let me some of this one now be putting in.
Alright, it reached the gong.
Yeah, just put it a like quarter.
The gong feel, it not feel rough. It not feel rough. That's a one. So you can have an idea so far or the bottom of Flatbridge feel. It don't feel like whole per stone.
Not recommended.
It feel like I just
So, you know.
it feel like I just some small stone there. But it don't rough, it don't rocky though. My magnet feel,
and that would be my
feel like it have something ish. May I see what going. I know so the magnet can trip me.
But it's a fireboard?
But I don't know, it feel me have something, but I don't know.
Okay. Alright, let's see.
Nothing.
No, nothing?
Yeah. Oh, be a money.
Gold mine, watch it.
Yeah, gold mine this.
Look at that. Be a $20, $10
and $5.
and $5. Oh my gosh.
So first find of the day, people. It's the first find of the day. Be a money. Yeah, we're rich.
Rich. Really rich. I'm saying. Feel like technique on some stone. Feel like this is just like the edge of the stone here. The pillar here over the front. Yes, honey. Alright. Let's see if we're having.
Are you supposed to find enough money?
Let's see.
Yo, I see bubbles over there, so you know.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like it have nothing to do. Be bubbles over there, so my youth. But now the water feel, the bottom of this feel like it's soft, like a beer mud. And a beer bubbles are come up over there, so if you can see it. I don't feel like I have nothing to do. I feel like it's just in a mud currently. Like just step on dirt. Yes, I feel.
I know.
I don't know what it is, so you have to feel away though.
The pillar over there on this?
Yeah, I eat though.
Yeah.
Come here on that waiter bump. Me on that waiter bump on you know. I don't get nothing that show here. I find beer money over here, sir.
Beer money again?
Yeah.
See? No man, Voga, you know which part of the treasure chest there. Pay money.
That's rich.
That's rich. I suppose you can buy 2 juice now.
Yeah.
That's sick if you just accumulate all the money.
And buy some juice now.
And wash off the coin them and then just go in like the gas station and buy some.
And braff.
Yeah.
Alright.
Braff for the money what we find.
Well, be money again, dog.
Be money?
Yeah. A beer leaf and money there, sir. Where so much money come from? No, sir. No more money for again, you know.
What's it? Touch it. Be money. No man about 2 juice this time, man.
A beer money I find a Claud. Watch it. Yeah, a whole heap of money I find.
Let me see. Oh gosh. So I'm to
red cent, they don't allow me to say red cent.
You know the reason I'm on that because your thread there. Right here, so. And mine goes here.
But I double side, should I pick it up, see it, man?
Pick it up,
no.
I feel like I have something right here, so.
I just be the money me I find. Watch it. Money again. No, sir.
You have something, you know?
You have something?
Yeah. But every time I lift it, like that, I find something. After risk it today.
Yo, this can trick me, you see? Feel like me have something for this, you know? Watch it, dog. I be the money me I find.
Be the money, well, no, well, hit the
The amount of money me I find, yes, sir. So.
No, but each one is somewhere. Wait, let me see.
It's like that jack down back.
Yeah. You feel it like it lift up and I jack down down.
Yeah.
That put for my rock. Wait.
I want that. I want that, Claud. Yeah, I want that. Come back over here, sir. Alright, pull it up there, sir.
Eh? Feel like it never gets off.
Alright, hold on.
Come in now, help me. It touch your magnet. Yes. Touch your magnet. Sick. Whoa, look at this.
Yo, this heavy.
What it? Yo. Oh, what it? Looks like it come from a car.
I want drive shaft this, you know.
Say it, look.
I saw a drive shaft staying in one car.
Yeah,
the drive.
with the under it way.
Yeah, the drive train. We converted to 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, sick. Oh man.
Okay, now take off your bandit yet. One, get a station for your thumbnail.
Yeah.
See that? Rogue Magnetics.
You see that?
Flat bridge. Oh, that flat bridge, you can come find them thing here, you know.
Only at flat bridge. Sick. Come to this and get a better shot. Watch it. Yo, anything heavy to it up?
Yeah.
Sick. Watch it. X mark the spot. X mark the spot.
Yo. Is that truck this come off for?
Look, sir.
This come off, that truck it come off for?
But yo, that's sick, yo. Jano. First find for the day. Well, not first, was second.
Second?
Well, first for me.
Yeah.
But second, because we've been a find pair money. And
yeah.
Sick.
Alright, well, I'll lift this, sir.
Yeah.
And then try to find other things. Right?
Sick. Yeah, we'll try to see if we can continue to over the direction and see what we can find. But that's sick. Ow.
Oh, we'll probably have to take that for the road. So we'll find our drive shaft. What is that? Crayfish.
Oh, crayfish in it? Oh, sick.
Oh, how you catching there?
Crayfish.
In a pot.
Oh, you said that pot. Oh, so that means No, there, sir. No partner there, sir. So we're not going to show the pot.
No, man, no partner do this.
Alright, that's all I know. Yeah.
Okay, nice. See that? The hustle is real, everyone.
Right back? Did that move? Yo, that's so hectic. Yo, that's so hectic. We find our drive shaft so far, and yes, my magnet stuck right there, so currently. Stuck right there, so currently. So I go over there, so, and stand up and pull it from that direction there. Yeah. And pull up this. Nothing like nothing to find though. Nothing. Just be a bomber money. Watch a Claud.
The box said, come on in. That's so rich, man.
I just loan money I find. Yo, flat bitch full of money. Come on, somebody come empty them pocket also. The whole them savings. What?
What's up there, yes, man?
Pull it in, huh? One big truck that's still in there, you have to go over there, sir. Pull off? Yeah. Alright, go over there, sir, car, so the truck can pass. That's what I go cross.
Shit.
Yeah.
Now stop this.
Something there, so for real. Yeah. Yeah. Alright people, as you can see the rain has fall. So we have to go pause for now. See there? We have to go either pause for now or come back next day.
Yeah. Shit.
Alright. I used to find this. We find a piece of one car that means a car there in a flat bridge. The rain a fall, and we decided to, we're not going to make the rain stop, we're going to do magnet fishing in the rain same way. As you can see. I stuck it up. God was sorry. I can't stop the magnet in the Claud.
No wonder where this stuff going.
My only fuck. I put it.
No.
Nah, this is what budge my youth.
No. What a lucky thing, a small one.
No. Alright people, so this is everything we'll find for the day. Find mainly silvers. So this by itself are $600 silver, and this are $25 in $1 and some red cents. And we'll find a car drive shaft, that means a car in a flat bridge. Alright, so they're flat bridge in the night. The reason I'm forward in the night, I forget about the rope. Forget about, no, not the rope, forget about the magnet from out of the water. Cause in the daytime, you know the seaside man? Yeah, cause in the daytime too much car go be a pass by. So come from in the night. All night, truck a drive on the bridge. Outside, them people don't stop work. Because I Claud find something. So I'm try to pull it off. Eh? I say, be a man this I go on here, sir. Be a man this. Oh God. Be a man this. So he might go from a different leverage to see if he can pull it. Yeah.
Go up and then drop over then.
God, you know what thing.
Sorry, dog.
So I find this a while ago. Or I find some key. I can't key this or door key or lock key. I don't even know, but I find key. Yeah, that's money me I find here, so no man. The amount of money I find here, so.
Dodger. Take your time. Don't too dry.
Come back at the point here.
Yeah, try my rope.
Alright. Wait, I'm not the point. Where the point my yours?
No.
Oh, wait. Wait, what that?
What that?
What that?
What that? With a bicycle dog.
Come on. At this man, I saw buck on the entire time.
Yo. Boom, brother.
At this man, I saw hold it out.
No, wait, my magnet stay on it left hand. Oh my gosh, dog.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, my foot.
No, sir.
Yo. Shit.
Yo, come here, sir. What my magnet buck on over here somewhere? Entire time, I wonder what the magnet buck on. What's up, man?
Yeah,
Yo.
Oh my gosh.
The entire time I throw over there something, I say feel something, you know.
Yo.
Remember I tell you something feel something?
Well, it's a big food.
Big food, that's drop.
Yo, oh my gosh. An
Yo.
entire bicycle. Watch it. Jeez.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo, this.
You can see how my magnet latch on, you know, my magnet latch on literally through here, so.
Yeah.
Watch it. It's not nowhere I go. Yeah, definitely pull up.
That now I know where I go, man.
Yo, bombard.
When I see my face again, see it there? We'll find a bicycle. All allow me to throw over here, so I say, I feel something about it now, come with me. And see it there? Claud take a throw couple times and pull it up this time.
Yeah, that is it, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey. Yeah, the amount of things we feel in the water, but it just not coming up.
No,
Keep on come off.
No, me have something this time, you know. Me have some weird. Yeah.
I dare you for ride the bicycle, go across Fat Bridge, go all the way down there, sir.
Alright.
Where you say I do it?
Where you do it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
So when you finish, not now, when you finish, so you can just put it one side.
Alright.
No, that, oh, yeah. Let's put it one side.
What?
Well, I'll see if we can find out more, because I'll get a little more confidence right now.
Come up, guys. I'm trying to do something on this way. I think I have to delete, man. Wait, alright.
Oh, may I have something?
Wait.
Yes. Now let's have to something.
Wait there now, I feel it. I feel my one move. Wait there. Don't dry it up hard in a dog, you have to take your time and leave.
Yeah. So try roll it outwards, sir.
Take your time and pull it.
And bring it out. Shit, it come
Oh, fuck, dog.
Come off.
Fool, you pull it too hard, that's some
Follow me, eh?
Yeah, it is. Time I move it up. Take your time, Vogue. Take your time, Vogue.
Alright.
Just take your time, Chad. Take your time, just take your sweet little time. Sweet little time.
Oi.
Bomba,
Come
dog.
off.
Oh, you're hot. What? No, come on. Got it?
Come off. Reply your thing. What up?
Nah, we are John Mac together. Watch out. Good man.
Pull it.
John, for you.
Come on, Claud. Come on. Come on.
Quick, help, please.
Wait. Come on, I can't do that.
Yo, it's a car door. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, my man come off. Hold on. I put that chance take better. Alright.
Pull. Oh, no! Damn it!
I mean, she come off again.
Oh, but they have been doing a thing that
Jano star.
Yo! Oh my gosh!
I can't believe it, dog.
You have it?
Yeah, I'm out of beat. Hold on.
Yo, we should have been doing a ticket to the dog.
Hold on, I'm out of beat, dog. Hold on.
Yo, the way I latch on.
A miracle after that.
Yo! Listen!
Yo.
Car door, what actual
It's a
door?
car door in the water.
Yo! Oh my gosh! You have it?
You see what I say? Okay, so that better? You see what you have it a while ago? You barely have, that make a bring it up a while ago.
Yeah. So I take my little time to me now.
Yeah. Let's show the way how it turn.
Manage for watch on back to it, so I could see. Take your time.
Yeah?
Alright. I see him winner.
Yeah?
I see him winner.
Yeah?
I see him winner.
Yeah?
Come on, now do that. No. Yeah, please. Take your time.
Why?
Take your time, wait. Take your time.
Make it empty out.
Try see if I can bend down and hold it.
Hold on, Claud. Make it empty out. You can hold it? Hold on for your shirt.
Yeah. Please.
You have it? Hold on for it.
Alright.
Yes! Finally! Woo!
Yo!
Finally!
Oh my gosh!
Finally!
Yo!
Yo, you know what's trouble this giveaway?
Where, sir?
You know how much trouble this giveaway?
Bomba! Finally!
Yo!
What?
Alright, see the people? We find a car door in a flat bridge. You can't believe that? The last time I come here, Claud did a car in a flat bridge. I said, no, no car not in here.
Yeah.
And so we come back here, come prove it. Kind of pressure, I say, yo, I could come back. And people in the comments from the video them, I said, go back a flat bridge, you might find a car, this and that. I will finally come back. I will find a car door.
What a great.
And I'll find a bicycle. I will find a drive shaft. The drive shaft over there, so.
People.
See that?
Content, make sure.
Yo. I don't think I search no more. Yeah. Car in the water.
Look at that.
So see that? We find a car door.
Look at that.
See that? Right now I'm tired. I don't think I do no more chewing yes or no. I'm tired of yes or no.
Oh my gosh.
I hate that. So I see it for myself, people.
This is it. That is it. Completely. This is the end of the video.
A bicycle. Actually, them are a match.
This is the end of the
A bicycle and a car door.
Red car door, red bicycle. Red
car.
Yeah. Yo,
I know
people.
style.
People. Trust me.
And people, if you don't want to own magnet, which is like this, if you don't own magnet fishing wherever in the day in Jamaica, wherever in the day in the world, link in the bio. No, link in the description to get your own magnet. If you use my code, you get 15% off. And them ship. Once if you're in Jamaica, I have a US address, you can ship the item to the US address and it come out Jamaica. Because like that me do forget my magnet. So yeah, that's how happening people. Make sure to like, you know. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment which part else we can go. Yeah. Wow, we find a car, we can't believe it. Alright.
There's a big food.
Big food just dropped.
Yeah.
Alright people, so they must say we must throw back the money in the water. So I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna deep on camera so you can see what's going on. So all that money be gone. Bye.